Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week number 4, the 23rd to the 27th. Let's see what you have going on this week. So it should be a habit now for you to check the calendar every time you log in. So this week you're reviewing in preparation for our trig assignment. Okay. So let's take a look at our news item. So today, Monday and Tuesday, you'll be working on the trig review. Wednesday, you have discussion post, and then Thursday and Friday, you'll be working on the assignment. Now, um, I said the same thing in the news feed as well. For this week, you should complete lesson number 7, trig review. Make sure to submit the review in your lesson notes Dropbox submission. This accounts for 10% of your overall grade. Think of the Dropbox submission as a chance for you to showcase all the work that you have done in order to warrant 10% of your final grade. Okay. Obviously, the more work you submit, the higher your mark. Wednesday, 25th, you'll complete one discussion. Each discussion is worth 1%. On Thursday and Friday, you'll be working on the Unit 1 thinking assignment, which is the Unit 1 trig assignment. Okay. That's about it for this week. I do have a couple of things to add. Housekeeping items. Number one, in some of the worksheets, some of you have noticed that there are questions at the bottom that says complete question number 1 to 3 on page blah blah blah. Obviously, there's no textbook or anything that corresponds to this course, so just ignore that. Okay. Zeros. Any zeros that you see on your grades is not permanent. It's just a placeholder. It's just to remind you, hey, this is overdue. You haven't submitted it. You can still submit it, and that zero will change. Number 3, emails. So I have been getting emails, which is great. Now, when you email, though, make sure you follow proper email etiquette in the sense that make sure you identify who you are and identify which course you're in. I have 3 online courses running right now. They're all grade 12s. So if you don't identify yourself, I'm not going to know which course you're even talking about, which student you're talking, or who you are. So make sure you identify yourself, what course you're in, and the assessment that you're referring to. Another thing, sharing drives. So some of you, for your lesson notes, have a running Google Doc, which is great. But if you're going to share it with me, make sure you post that link in the Dropbox. Don't just share it to my email. Okay? Because if you share it to my email, I can't mark it. Because when you share it, all I see is your school name handle. I don't see your full name, so I can't even reply to you. So it just gets ignored. Okay, so make sure you submit it on D2O. I think that's about it. Okay, any questions? Feel free to shoot me an email, and we can chat. Okay, talk soon.